Cooperation between naturopathic and conventional communities is increasing like state licensing, insurance credentialing extends, and like the common public becomes more knowledgeable concerning complementary and alternative medicine treatments. Allopathy, our existing framework of medicine, has manufactured enormous strides in developing quality of life and longevity. Allopathy performs by finding out the reason of illness and its removal with the assistance of medications. Concentration on webs of connections instead of plain objects in themselves. The preclude puts the object of survey in a more complicated framework. Currently, allopathy, the new medicine framework, which is about 100 years old, is actually the most versatile medicine treatment by plurality of commune. As experienced today, anyway, naturopathy too oftentimes migrates from complementary to alternate patronage to pragmatically elaborate in such a participation rule. Popular reasons for defeat against new medicine are because of its dangerous side effects and deficiency of curative worth in a large number of the chronic troubles. Traditional frameworks depend heavily on herbaceous material contrasted to new framework of medicine, allopathy. Naturopathic medicine determines itself as a framework of prime health patronage, an art, philosophy, science, and exercise of treatment, diagnosis, and prevention of illness.